Hello everyone, I am sending my Wii back for a repair. Joy. It is broken, obviously. I'm going to show you. It's broken. Why it's broken. All normal. All normal. Sound. Turn off the sound. Mute. That's not a problem. It's this. Got a disc. Metro Prime 3. Now if I put it in, do you hear that? This. Now, that ain't normal, is it? So, and if you listen, if I push eject, it should do it. There. So, I'm going to send it off to Nintendo. I'm going to be Wii-less. Oh well. At least I can get it fixed. Anyway. TV. Okay. Let me just get all my cables out. I've got a charger at the back. Unplug that. And all they want is a console, none of the cables or the stand, just the console. Anyway, I found myself a box. I've laid it down with some packing materials, and I'm just going to put the Wii in there. And if I can find some extra protection, this stuff, just going to put that in the corners. Protect my Wii. Yeah, sorry about this. Oh well, there we go. We's going to be sent off. I have got a shipping label or a postage label right here, but I'm a little bit, there's like a little stuff at the top and I'm wondering what to do with it. So I'm just going to go up to the post office and they'll say, I'll ask them, what do I do with this? Probably just stick it on, send it off. Anyway, thanks for watching. Now I'm Wii-less. I ain't got shit to do. Thanks for watching. Bye.